In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use goals in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Let's walk through the quickest, clearest way to set up a goal so you and your team can track progress with confidence. Start by opening your Pipedrive workspace and heading to Insights on the left-hand sidebar. Insights is where Pipedrive gathers your reports and analytics, and it's also where your goals will live once they're created. At the top left, click Create and choose Goal. This opens the Goal Builder, where you'll define exactly what you want to track. First, select the entity for your goal. You can base it on deals, activities, or forecasts. Deals are perfect if you want to measure things like the number of new deals or revenue won. Activities are best for productivity targets, such as calls made, emails sent, or meetings held. Forecasts help you align pipeline projections with targets, keeping your expected revenue in focus. Next, choose the goal type for the entity you selected. This narrows down how success will be measured. For example, with deals, you might pick the total value of won deals or the count of deals moved to a certain stage. With activities, you could track the number of completed tasks. Choose the option that mirrors how your team defines success. Now, customize the goal details. Set the assignee to decide who owns the goal. It can be for an individual or a team. Pick the pipeline you want to track, which keeps the goal focused on the right workflow. Choose how often the goal recurs, like weekly, monthly, or quarterly, and set the duration so Pipedrive knows the start and end dates. Then pick the tracking metric, such as count or value, and enter the target number. If there are additional criteria available, like filtering by stage or activity type, use them to keep your goal precise and meaningful. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new goal will now appear in the Insights section alongside your other goals. From here, you'll see progress updates roll in automatically as your team works. You can revisit the goal at any time to refine the criteria or adjust the target if your priorities change. A helpful tip: give your goal a clear name and align the frequency with your reporting rhythm so it's easy to review in team meetings. That's all. Your Pipedrive goal is set, tracked, and ready to guide your next win.